Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this small video about trades taken last week as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 12th, February 12th. So this is the entry. This is not the complete trade. I just showed to my subscribers. I recorded this chart so that this is how you take the entry and then hold on to the trade until you reach to the daily range. Right. So this is how this 20-minute entry looks like. And then it went down a little bit. So this is the first one. Second trade on the 12th was the gold trade. This is the entry here, and this shows this is how you find out the calculation with the Fib tool, and then you see that okay, this is what's happening. This is the butterfly pattern, in the way, and this is how it is. So and then you set up the target according to the calculation, right? Fib calculation. So this was my entry. SL moves to break even plus, and I was expecting in that it will drop all the way here, but it went, right from here somewhere, it started to go up, and I closed the trade. All right, so this is the second one. The third one, you can see Nasdaq sell orders right there. Beautiful entry here, and then start to drop from this to this on the 12th, and then on the 12th, S&P 500 also went down from here, right? Now, on the 13th, Nasdaq again it was dropping, and then look at that. This is the beautiful entry from the 20-minute chart, and then all the way down from this to this. Beautiful entry, sell orders right there. SL move to break even plus, and then on the 13th, S&P again. This was a Nasdaq, and almost the same thing. That see this Nasdaq, and then this same kind of setup, same kind of trade, right? Both of them they went down all the way. Beautifully. And then this is gold again. Entry from here, and then you can see it went down all the way. So this area, the target was 1987, which was hit later on, but I recorded the chart and forgot to record it again. So USD yen on the 13th to the upside. This was after the news about the USD, and this is what happened. USD got stronger, and boom, boom, and then all the way to the upside. 160 pip buy order is right there, and this is 70 pip. This is a euro, a USD on the 13th. All the trade, when you take the trade, you got to find out where you are in the day. Where is your entry in the day, during the day? Now, and then you calculate that what is the daily range for that particular day. This indicator tells me that this pair average daily range, 60 day daily average daily range is 67 pip. So you cannot hold this pair for 80, 90 pip trade, right? Or 100 pip trade. This around 60, 70 pip. This is it. This was the S3. Close the trade because the daily range is not big on this one. It's very small, right? So this is how it is. And then this one is 80 pip. If you look at the daily range of pound Aussie, it's around like 130, 140. So after the entry, you can hold on to this one for a higher number of pippage if you are early into the day. So this is how it is. Now 13 on 13 Euro Aussie as well, because of the Aussie was getting weaker. So pound Aussie and Euro Aussie, they both went up and gave me very nice entries from the 70-minute chart. On the 13, gold again dropping from here all the way to there. So drop in the middle. It gives me the entry. By the way, this is taken by most of these trades are taken by my EA, which opens the trade automatically, place the SL, and move the SL to break even after a certain amount of pippage. So this is the gold, and then this is pound Aussie. Basically, I just showed you the 7-minute chart, and this is also from the same kind of entry, but from the different account. 7-minute, usually my son, he takes it, and then this is my account here. The 80 pip, almost a similar entry, same area. 80 pip trade, this one, pound Aussie. This is pound CAD, 60 pip, beautiful entry taken by the EA, and went up for 60 pip. This one on the 13, Aussie USD, dropping all the way here, right? Only 50 pip, but it went down even more, but I got scared and I closed it. I thought it's going to bounce back for some reason. On the 14th, Nasdaq, you can see buy order, beautiful, is going to the upside. You see these Nasdaq and S&P 500, they make a big move, give you a long setup, and then go, or drop, and then short setup and then down, and you catch that little entry in the middle. That's it. This is how this nice setup is on the 15-pound Aussie. Again, this small entry went down for 50 pip, and I think this is it. I have a couple of other running, let's say Aussie yen long going on right now. It's 60, 70 pip, but I think that is going to be going even more. So I left it alone. Right? So, it's open right now, and there are a couple of more which open over the weekend. I'm going to have them open. Well, I will. I already did, right? So I will close them probably Monday when the market opens up, and if I see that gap up, gap down, whatever, and decent amount of pippage, and I will close those trades then. So these are the trades taken by most of these trades are taken by the EA, the expert advisor robot, automatic trade opening robot, and it opens the trade. Plays the SL behind 25 pip, and in 7-minute chart is only 15 pip. SL, hard SL, always the same SL. From 7-minute chart is 15. From 20-minute chart is 25 pip. So if your SL hit, you lose maximum 25 pip. But if you make how much you just saw each and every trade, right? So these are the trades last week, and hopefully I will have my webinar on Sunday for my subscribers. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, then go on my website, subscribe, and start learning and trading. I have the Telegram where I put the upcoming setups and all the updates, the videos, the charts, the setup, the weekly charts, whatever I find useful, I post on the Telegram for my subscribers, right? So that's so this is how it is. This is it for now. And don't forget to sign up for my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my upcoming videos. Today is Friday night. Tomorrow and before Sunday market opened up, I will probably make the video about yen index and USD index, probably something else as well. And then I will show you the very, very good setups that you can do. The yen setup, it produced almost more than like 1200 pip for me. Just going up. Yen was getting weaker, and I had so many yen trades. I'll show you in the video. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very, very wonderful and pleasant weekend with your family and friends. And I'll talk to you guys later.